At Glitzer's Homestead, we rise and grow, planting dreams in every row, from the morning light till the...
Okay, I have 2 hours before it rains, and I have to get all this into the ground. I need to mulch, and I need to get this all done in 2 hours. Let's see if we'll make it. I got 35 pigeon peas to put in the ground. I'm kind of sorry that I put it in the starter, because pigeon peas, I found out, doesn't like their roots to be messed with. But let's see what happens. I think it will be good. And I'm gonna take all these, will be going into the bucket with some rainwater to make my compost tea. Let's go. Let's show them where my compost tea is. Come on. I'm gonna put this in this bucket. We're gonna let it sit, and after about a week or two, we're gonna use this to fertilize the garden. So these are just grass that I weeded from out of the garden, and we use those for compost. Nothing gets wasted here. Everything has a purpose. And you see all this right here? All this is what we're gonna use to mulch my sweet potato bed and my tomatoes. All this stuff came from up there. No waste. All right. We'll get started with this. I need to take this off because I work better without this. And let's see. Push this up. Push this up. Oh, perfect. We're gonna put this one in each hole, one in this pot, one right there. Let's get the rest. Let's put them all in this spot first, and then we will put them in. There goes another. That one goes right here. Whoops. One by one. Be careful of this spot. Okay. There we go. The one going there. So, we're racing the rain, people. We're racing the rain. You think I'm gonna make it on time? It's gonna rain in about 2 hours. Let's see if we can make it. Gotta get up that blackberry plant so it doesn't spread over my garden. I also want to put down some nasturtium seed and some sunflower seed. Come on, let's go. Right here, this one going right here. This one going right here. Come on, let's show them. Let's show the people how we do this. Come on. So I'm gonna take this shovel and I'm gonna dig a hole big enough down there. Now, this is pigeon peas, and pigeon peas is actually a tall shrub. It'll grow probably about 6 feet high, and it's perennial. It's gonna last through the winter, and that's our goal here. Plant it once and for all. No replanting going on, and we try to get something from every food group. So we have beans, we have potatoes, we have vegetable, we have herbs, we have medicinal plants. We have it. And this is the black pigeon peas. I thought I had loosened up the soil over there, but I guess I didn't. So let's do this. And pigeon peas is also tolerates a wide range of soil. So even though this one is mixed with a little clay, it'll be fine. It's gonna go all the way down, breaking up that soil and pulling up nitrogen at the same time. Prepare the soil. Okay. Put it down here. Stick it in there. Cover it up. Cover it up. Back it in. Wait for the rain. All right. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think be careful of how you step back, because I don't want you to step on the beans. Okay? Especially since you love beans. You don't want to destroy any. You're a beans person. And now he's getting a bean out, and he's all the dirt that is out. Put back all the dirt, round and around. See the dirt right here? Take it in, put it on the other side. Here we go. Fill up the hole. Thank you. All right, now we're gonna start weeding around the plant so that it doesn't grow fast, you know? But you could also use your hands, Shamir. You can use your hands if it's easier. Out for the plant. Lift up the plant and dig around. See the one with the flowers? See the one with the limb with the flowers? Pick it up. Move it out the way. And you're going around that. It might be easier, safer to use your hands. Go around and around the plant. Okay, here's some back here that needs to get done. That spot right there, along the fence. Along the fence. Closer to the fence. There you go. All the way to the fence. All the way to the fence. Shake out the grass and put them back. No, don't put it over there. Put it in the middle. We got to put it in the compost tea. Take them out. But throw it behind you on the ground. Throw it behind you. Okay, take out the rest. Now we got to get all this clean up. While he's doing that, let's talk a little bit about some stuff. Now this right here is my Cuban oregano. Now this is a tropical plant, and it doesn't survive the winter. But every winter I take one limb in and I keep it inside, and that one limb in the next summer, in the spring, this happens from that one limb, and this will grow and be bushy, and you use this as seasoning. You use it for, like I said before in my previous video, you use it for building up that immune system. If you have a cold, a cough, you know, an itchy throat, use this Cuban oregano. Look at it. But that's how you can keep some of those some of those heat plant, the one that doesn't last during the winter. You just propagate one leaf, mulch over the summer. Some may survive with some heavy mulching, and some other, okay, spread it back in. Take out the leaves out the thing and the grass and spread it back in the hole. If you want to use the rake, you could. If you want to use this tool, you can. Spread it. I need to get these moringa in the ground too, but not today. That will happen another day. Okay, now we're getting ready to plant some nasturtium as he dig the hole, and then we're gonna continue put the seeds along the way. Sprinkle the seed just like I was doing it. Lay that aside. Yes, there you go. Lay that aside, and then sprinkle the seeds. You may ask us, why are we doing this before the rain? Now we're planting the nasturtium now. Well, for one thing, not too much in one spot. Not too much in one spot. So we gotta spread it out. For one thing, the rain is doing all the work for us. And for the next thing, something special happened after the rain. With all the minerals and nutrient that comes down, everything just explode after rain. So I try to get my plants in, especially during the springtime, just before the rain. I do my weeding just before the rain. Also, while he's doing that, let me explain something. I was supposed to spray some neem oil on my collards, but however, because it's going to rain, I'm not going to spray them, because if I spray them now, the rain is just going to come and wash it off. Well, we made it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, like, share. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.